Plains are
flat land.
the larger part of the Indus basin is.
Pakistan.
The Ganga takes its birth in glacier called.
Gangotri.
Heavy rain lead to.
Floods.
Munnar is a.
Hill station.
Fill in the blanks. There is no vegetation in the region of the Himalayas.
Himadri.
The Great Indian Desert is also known as the.
Thar desert.
Rice crops need a lot of.
Rainfall.
Is the leading produce of jute.
West Bengal.
Producer na. Grow both in alluvial soil and black soil.
Sugarcane.
Up true false na. The Shivalik range are covered with forest.
True.
The highly flows. रुक जाओ कहाँ गया रे गुम गया. The Hooghly flows through Kolkata.
True.
फिर Varanasi is located on the bank of Ganga.
True.
Winter days are very cold but winter nights are pleasant in the desert.
False.
Camels are known as sheep of desert.
True.
The humidity is very low in coastal plains.
False.
Monsoon is a very important in India.
True.
Cotton grows in Uttar Pradesh.
False.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal built by the Mughals.
Stupa.
Sanchi.
Sand dunes.
Hills of sand.
ठीक है. Water from the Satluj river.
Indira Gandhi Canal.
वेरी गुड. अब बताना क्वेश्चन आंसर बताना. शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन पहले. ठीक है. व्हाट इज डेजर्ट.
Desert is a sandy area with not much vegetation and rainfall.
ठीक है. नेम द मंथ्स ड्यूरिंग विच इज देयर इज ए मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल इन इंडिया.
By mid-July there is maximum rainfall in India.
नेम द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल आर फाउंड इन इंडिया.
Mountain and trap soil, alluvial soil, desert soil, red soil and black soil are the different types of soil that are found in India.
Name any two main crops grown in northern plains.
Wheat and rice.
Wheat and rice. Name the state of our country where tea is grown.
Tea is grown in Assam, West Bengal and Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu.
Very good. Name any two main crops in Rajasthan desert.
Wheat, dates.
Name any two festivals celebrated in your home.
The two festivals celebrated in our home are Diwali, Durga Puja.
Define plains.
Plains are mostly flat land and are made up of fertile soil.
ठीक है. Long type question. Name the three ranges of Himalayas.
The three ranges of Himalayas. The Greater Himalaya Himadri, the Middle Himalaya Himachal, the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik.
What is an oasis?
Places in deserts with underground water springs are called oases.
Write three lines about the winter season in India.
It is winter from November to February. Winter is March to July, short days and long nights. January is the coldest month of the season.
Name the state of our country which are famous for growing spices.
Kerala and Karnataka are the states of our India which are famous for growing spices.
Name the two main style of music in India.
The two main styles of music are Hindustani, Carnatic.
फिर है नेम द टू मेन स्टाइल. वो आउटलाइन ऑफ मैप
मैप का दे दिया है, वहाँ है.
बना दियो पूरा. वेरी गुड.